Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we'll see why regularity is more important than duration when it comes to our meditation practice. Start by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit. Let your back straighten without creating tension. Let your shoulders settle and soften, and find a place to rest your hands. If you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. And take a moment to notice how you feel as you start your practice. There's no right or wrong answer here. Just take the time to observe how you feel right here, right now. Now, turn to your breath. Take a deep inhalation and a slow exhalation. And do that again a few more times. As you let your breath settle back into its smooth, innate shape, let your whole body breathe with you. Now, rest your awareness right at the opening of your nose so that you feel fresh air entering with each inhale and the warmth of the air every time you breathe out. Notice the feeling as your breath passes through your nostrils again and again. Every time your mind wanders, lovingly return to your breath moving in and out of your nostrils. Feel the coolness of your breath on the inhale, the warmth of it on the exhale. soften your attention. A question arises around meditation. Is it better to meditate each day for short periods, or should we meditate more sporadically for lengthier sessions? Michigan State University recently released a study that showed that meditating for 20 minutes helped college students complete their tasks with more focus and fewer mistakes. Another study from the University of Massachusetts determined that a 25-minute daily meditation practice over 8 weeks reduced the participants' perception of stress. It also significantly increased brain activity in the areas associated with well-being. The real key to this study, though, was regularity. 20 or 25 minutes of meditation a day may not be feasible, especially if you're new to the practice. But whether you sit for 5 or 55 minutes, the more regularity you bring to your practice, the more you'll reap the benefits. It can be challenging to establish a routine, so find out what works best for you. You might split up your practice into 2-minute pauses throughout the day, or set aside 10 minutes each morning to delve in deeply. Commit to a daily practice, whatever the length. The more you do it, the easier it will be to bring mindfulness into the rest of your day. And remember, if you miss a day here and there, be kind to yourself. We get busy, and it happens. Return to your practice once more and make room for your experience, just as it is. Now become aware of the room around you. Make small movements with your extremities. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.